잠깐만. Hi. Hi. It's Libby. Oh. Whew. Yep. I'm doing English speaking vlog for today. Oh. Wow. You know, there's been some people who've been asking me to do English speaking vlog or video or something, but I was like, yeah, I'm gonna say a lot of today. Anyway, I'm doing this today. I'm gonna speak in English, like only English for 24 hours. Starting now. I was supposed to film this video from beginning of today, but I was like, I don't want to, and yeah, I'm starting now. I just got back from Pilates, and yeah, I'm having dinner. For dinner, fried chicken and cheese balls. And what you can't miss with fried chicken is this is Baekyang beer. I've tried 곰표 beer and there's also Baekyang and 뭐였지? 흑곰 beer also. Anyway, this is BBQ's golden 황금 올리브 chicken. I won't be speaking a lot today. I will probably talking to you with subtitles in Korean because it's not typing challenge, it's speaking challenge. Seriously, the best fried chicken ever. Cheers! It's so crispy outside and juicy, tender inside. It's still hot. I think it's just fried. So good. Here it is. This is the breast part, chest part of the chicken, and I need some sauce. Every time you order BHC's chicken, order a lot of pudding sauce. Pudding sauce. sauce. Kelly? And I got 2 cheese balls for doing review event. It's chewy, slightly crispy outside, like 찹쌀 도너츠. The inside part is filled with cream cheese, some cream. The other beer is 말표, horse beer. It was not 흑곰, 말. The other one. It's sugary, chewy, mix of cheddar cheese, cream cheese. I think there is like little bit of mozzarella cheese also. Wing. Deep in the sauce. 와. Seriously, I think I'm not saying at all. I got so nervous when I speak English, and that's why I got beer. Last chicken. Honestly, I would go for more like spicy noodle or some more beer. But in that way, I would have to speak more English. So I'm gonna stop here. Cleaning this up, I will start to edit my video, read some comments, make thumbnails. Basically, I will do work. And see you tomorrow morning. Bye. It's 12:17 in the morning. Not morning. 12:17 Saturday. But this is my breakfast because I just woke up. This is rice with flying fish roll, an egg, and some 참기름, sesame oil. And this is 간장게장. 순살 간장게장. 오, 오. 와. 와. Wow. This is my first time trying 순살 간장게장. I've tried 양념게장, but not 간장게장. It's salty, savory, so good. After breakfast, I'm going to see a movie. I've been dying to see Black Widow. I like this yellow parts the most. Anyway, I really enjoyed it. This was a great and convenient meal. Now I'm gonna clean this up quick and get dressed, go for a movie. I'm going to see a Black Widow. 무뼈 닭발 and 주먹밥. and 평양냉면. It's 6:26 p.m. Saturday. I got 국물 닭발, 주먹밥, and 평양냉면 here. Oh, it was so freaking hot today. I got some 열무김치 from this 닭발 place, so I'm gonna add this here. I've never had 평양냉면, 냉면 with 닭발, but I think it'll be a great combination. This is kind of thick than usual 국물 닭발. I like it more. 국물 닭발 means soup, chicken feet in the soup, but it's not like soup. It's kind of like sauce. Here we go. 와. Yeah, this too goes well because it's hot, spicy, it has texture, it's chewy, and the 평양냉면 is kind of mild flavor compared to this, compared to everything actually. So yeah, it goes well. Learn the place. This rice already has flying fish raw, pickled radish, and kim. I asked to make it spicier when I order, so this has right amount of spiciness for me. 아, 와. 음. 끝! 아, 진짜. 답답해 뒤지는 줄 알았네. 마지막입니다. 이 닭발 근데 진짜 맛있어요. 약간 불맛도 나고 기름진 맛도 있으면서 그 뭐지 고춧가루도 많이 들었고 진짜 맛있어요. 얘는 나중에 국물 닭발 그 찍을 때 영상 찍을 때 여기서 배달시켜서 찍을게요. 몇 개 달라 그랬더니 청양고추도 막 더 썰어주신 것 같고 야채도 많이 들고 진짜 맛있습니다. 아, 평양냉면이랑 닭발이랑 은근히 진짜 잘 어울려요. 그냥 냉면보다 평양냉면이 더 잘 어울리는 것 같아. 와, 이렇게 24시간 영어 먹방이 끝났고요. 제가 영어 쓰는 콘텐츠를 아마 몇 년이냐? 한 2년 만에 한 것 같은데 다음 영어 콘텐츠는 그럼 또 2년 뒤에 돌아올게요. 그러면 오늘 정말 힘들었고 오늘도 재밌게 봐주셨다면 좋아요랑 구독 부탁드려요. 다음 주에는 영어는 안 쓰는 영상으로 만나요.